Hello, Tom from Every Step Physics, EveryStepCalculus.com. Your friendly person that helps you solve problems and tests step by step. This is a physics problem, as you can see, a bullet through the block problem. And what's given is two masses, the bullet and a block, and the initial velocity of the bullet and the final velocity of the bullet as it comes through the block. This is a conservation of momentum problem. In other words, whatever's created, momentum created, it divides among whatever, but is always never lost, always there. Physics to get to my main menu. I'm going to scroll down here to bullet. Any problem with bullet in your physics test, you'd go to bullet here. And I will. And then this one is the bullet passes through the block. Whatever. I'm already at but you scroll down to mass 1 and mass 2 and initial velocity and final velocity, which there always is in physics, okay? Even though many professors and geniuses of physics leave out and confuse you, it's always in the formulas somehow. All right, so I'm going to press enter on that, and we're going to enter the variables. Here's the bullet mass. Press alpha first, alpha 6. I do the conversions for you. Number 1 is grams, which gives you 0.006 is the kilogram factor. And we're going to enter the block's mass, okay? That's alpha 1.25 kilograms, number 2. I'm going to enter the initial velocity of the bullet, alpha 896 meters per second, number 4. It's going to the right of the x-axis. Enter the final velocity of the bullet, alpha, what is it, 435, again meters per second, again from left to right. We can always check it and see if you've entered everything correct. If you didn't, we could change it, but I say it's okay. And we're into it. We find the initial momentum of the bullet, which is mass 1 times its velocity, 5.376 kilograms per meter. That's the SI unit for momentum. And P is the starting variable or letter for momentum. Final momentum of the bullet is equal to m1 times the final velocity, which is equal to 2.61. Now the final momentum of the bullet, then, which is the conservation of energy, you've had the initial momentum. We're going to take away what the other aspect of the momentum is, and what's left has to be what the block's momentum is. And so final momentum of the blocks is PF2 divided by, using algebra, dividing by its mass, is 2.2128 meters per second, okay? So we've answered this on your test problem, okay? I give you extra things here like the initial kinetic energy of the bullet, the final kinetic energy of the bullet, in case you're asked that too in a test, who knows. Remember, tests and physics and calculus are scored on partial credit in the class curve. All you need to do is get a few more problems correct compared to the person sitting next to you or the rest of the class, and you've got an A or great grade, or you've passed the test. Okay? So anyways, go to my site, buy my programs, only $30 for physics. You get 400 plus programs for all your physics problems that you can answer. All done menu like this, with menus. And will help you pass your physics tests. I don't know how you can do without it. My programs are the only ones you can buy to download into your Titanium or anywhere. Actually, I haven't even seen it on your computer, or apps on the computer or on the internet. Where it's menu driven, where you can go there quick, you know. For instance, if you were to take your physics book into a test, you'd always fail the test because you use too much time to look up things in the index, and then they use their examples and figure it out and put that in and put that in, whatever. Same thing in calculus. So the only way to do it is with these programs. So you decide you want to study this stuff, learning 1,000 formulas that you're going to have to, in 1 second, put on your test sheet and solve these problems. I don't think so. But anyways, good luck in your classes. Have a good one.